This book is called Color Index, and it's by Jim Krause. And when I first got into graphic design all those years ago, it was kind of like a Bible. This was in the early days of me being a student and overthinking color combinations and things of that nature, because that's just what you do as a student. You look around and you see what's working and what's not working, and you see how your work fits. But a lot of times when you're just getting started, you have no idea where to start. You don't know where to experiment. And so books like this provide great inspiration, especially when it came to color theory. Even the shirt that I'm wearing right now is vibrant neon green. Why do I wear this shirt? Safety. The only attention that I want is that when I go outside for a walk in a few minutes, is that every car can see me when I'm crossing the street on my way to the trails. When you're looking at anything that you're working on, it's similar to this shirt. Who is this shirt for? Once I became a full-on professional and I only made money with creative projects, I stopped looking for inspiration and I started looking for possibility. What I like to do is walk around the city and look for color combinations that I like in the real world, because somebody was paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to come up with that color scheme. So where can you see this stuff? The first place I would look is in my own closet and on my own feet. So like, I'll take my shoe off. If you look at my shoe, someone got paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to choose this type of blue, with this type of blue, with this white, with this design, with this gray. Should this be 3M? Should it be gray? Should it reflect the light? Should, all the various things. So I'm looking at this first. I'm going to look at my shirt. Oh, neon green goes with purple. I go to the grocery store. I'll start picking up yogurt. So I'll start picking up juices, or I'll pick up cereal boxes. Like, a cereal box has a combination of colors, all with the intention of getting a kid's attention. So if you look at products and objects that are in the real world, you'll have a better chance of getting closer to whatever it is you're looking for. So even if you're designing a business card, you don't necessarily need to type in business card inspiration. You can, wherever you are, whether you drive or me, I love the New York City subway. When I'm on a train, I'm looking at ads. I'm not looking at ads because I need to see Dr. Zizmore. I'm looking at ads because I'm like, okay, that's a cool design. Even the MTA is one of my favorite designers. Their ads, I'm looking at their ads. I'm walking down the street. I'm looking at billboards. And I mean, like, there's so many things that's fighting for your attention. And if you see how they handle color, it's not always neons, but a lot of it is traditional. So if you close your eyes and you go, what are Supreme's colors? Red and white. Or Levi. So say like when I made this, I was thinking about Mickey D's. And another thing to think about is black and white. This is all black and white, and it has a style, and the colors that aren't there also send a message. Books are great. Googling is great. Websites are great. Pinterest, Tumblr. There's all these various places where you can get color inspiration, but I find that the best places to find color are out in the real world. What are some of your favorite color combinations? Put them in the comments. And since you're down there, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time.